Now, learners, as we have said right at the beginning of this lesson, that data handling is when we group objects and we count these number of objects to give us the total number of them. In other words, it is when we collect things, okay, and then we group these things correctly, and then we count how many things do we have in each group. Can you all repeat after me? Data handling is when we group objects and we count the number of objects. Very good. Now, as we said that data handling helps us with knowing how many things do we have all together. It helps us know how many things do we have all together. Now, if you keep your books together, your crayons together, and your pencils together, it makes it very easy for you to know how many crayons do you have, how many pencils do we have, or how many books do you have. Okay, learners? Now, for example, even a shopkeeper keeps their tin fishes together, their sugars together in a shop, their cornflakes together. Have you seen that in a shop? Yes. Now this makes it very easy for him to see if maybe somebody has taken the sugar and they need to put in more sugars in the store. Or maybe someone has stolen their yogurts in the fridge, in the store. Or maybe someone has stolen or someone has bought the cold drinks in the shop and he needs to add more for people to buy. Alright. So now learners, let us do an example so that we can see if each and every one of us understood this lesson. Okay? Alright, let us start. Now, we collected, this time around, we collected seasons. Do you remember seasons that we learned about in English? Do you remember the ones that we learned about in life skills? Yes, the 4 seasons. Yes, so now, here we are. These are the seasons that we collected. Can you all see them? Can you all see? We have winter here. And then we have summer here. And then we have our spring here. These are the springs. And then we have our autumn season here. So now all of these seasons, we have collected them. Okay, we have collected them. Now we need to group them correctly into their correct groups so that we will be able to count all of them and get the total number of seasons that we have here. Okay, learners, I will ask each learner to come up to the board. Here, to come up to the board and place these seasons in their correct groups. Okay, right, we can do a few together. All right, we can do a few together so that you can see. Now, where is, okay, the first season here is the spring. Can you all see spring? It's the spring season. Now let's just come here. Where is the spring season again? Here on the seasons that we collected. Oh, there it is. It is the spring season. So now we are going to take the spring season and place it here. All right. Where are the other spring seasons? Let us look for more spring seasons. There is the second one. Okay. There is another spring season. Place it here. There is the other spring season. it here. Can you see any more spring seasons here? Okay, this is the other spring season. We are going to put it here. Where is the last spring season? Where's another one? There is another one. Then we are gonna put it here because there is no space now. Okay, now let us count. How many spring seasons do we have here? Let us count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is the. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 spring seasons. So let us write the number 5 here. We have 5. Very good. Now the next season is called the summer season. Can you see here? Summer season. Now let's just look for all the summer seasons here. This is the first one. Okay, this is one. The next one. There is the other one. 2. Where's the other one? 3. Do we have any more? No, we don't. So we have how many summer seasons? Let us all count. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 summer seasons. We are then going to write the number down. Number 3. Yes.